Today I'm going to teach you how to set up and configure Gmail and Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to manage all your emails from one place, combining the power of Outlook's organization tools with your Gmail account. Let's dive right in and get this set up. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This initial step ensures that Outlook is ready and running, giving you access to the settings and configurations you'll need. Once your email has been loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to move forward with adding your Gmail account. To set up and configure Gmail and Outlook, start by heading to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on File to open the menu. This is where all the major account and settings options live, making it the central hub for managing your Outlook configuration. The File menu might seem simple, but it's the gateway to customizing your entire email experience. Once the File menu has opened, look for the Account Settings dropdown and click on Account Settings again. This will take you to a dedicated window where you can manage all your connected email accounts. The process of setting up and configuring a Gmail account on Outlook is pretty simple, and you'll see why in just a moment. From the Account Settings window, click on New. This option allows you to add a new email account to your Outlook setup. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter some information. Here, enter your Gmail email address and click on Connect. This is the starting point for linking your Gmail account to Outlook, and the system will begin verifying your details. A new browser window will appear verifying your connection and account ownership. Simply follow the login procedure to log in. You'll likely be asked to enter your Gmail password and possibly verify your identity through a security code or authentication method depending on your Gmail security settings. This step is crucial because it ensures that only you can authorize this connection. The configuration part will be automatic with the IMAP server and ports added once you verify your account. This means you don't have to manually input server details or worry about technical settings. Outlook handles all of that behind the scenes, pulling in your Gmail emails, folders, and settings seamlessly. Once the verification is complete, your Gmail account will appear in your Outlook inbox, and you'll be able to send and receive emails from both platforms in one unified interface. And that's it. You've successfully set up and configured Gmail and Outlook, giving you the flexibility to manage all your communications from one convenient location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.